Hello students, today we will read Robin Hood. This is a comic, means that arouse laughter and also there is some seriousness. Robin Hood is written by Jayashree Menon. Jayashree Menon was born on 27 July 1980 in Kochi, Kerala. She has worked as a reporter and an editor for leading Indian newspapers and now writes stories and comics for children. Shreya Sen, the illustrator, studied animation film designed at the National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. She currently works as a children's book illustrator. So Robin Hood. It is a story about Robin Hood and his merry men. Robin Hood used to rob the wealth of the rich and he distributed all this among the poor for their help. So now let's read. Over 800 years ago, in Sherwood Forest in England, there was a notorious outlaw, Robin Hood, and his companions, and they are known as merry men. Outlaw means one who breaks law is called outlaw. The coachman is going as fast as he can. My dear, we should be going faster. We must get to the other side of the forest before nightfall. So this is Marion and her father and mother. So they expected that they would go to the other side of the forest before nightfall. Robin and his men were known to stop travelers in the forest and steal their money and belongings. So that you already know that Robin Hood used to rob the wealth of rich people and distributed them among the poor for their help. So Marion and her father and mother were traveling through that forest, means Sherwood forest, and they were frightened that Robin Hood may come and rob everything of them. Meanwhile, as the coach moved through the forest, the merry men and their leader were already in pursuit. So, as they moved through the forest, the merrymen and their leader, means Robin Hood, were chasing them. Good day to you, kind sir. Do step outside now and hand over your gold. So, Robin Hood told that very man, means Marion's father, to step outside and hand over them their gold. Quickly and quietly the outlaws overpowered the soldiers and stopped the coach. So they overpowered and they stopped the coach. Then Marion's father told, "Please take my gold and spare my wife and daughter." But wait, before Robin and his men could make a quick getaway, here was someone coming to challenge them. And who was that? Someone was coming to challenge them. "Stand and fight, you bandits. Wait is your name." "What is your name?" "We mean you no harm, so lower your sword, bold maiden." Maiden means girl. This is an ancient term. So, Marian was holding the sword. And I am Robin Hood. We take this money from your father to feed the family of the poor man whose home burned down yesterday. Do you object? I am called Marian. Then Marian said that her name was Marian. No, I take it. If it will help someone, you should have it. Thank you for your boldness and generosity. We will escort your family to the edge of the forest. The merry men and I will be your friends from now on. Robin Hood is a better man than people imagine him to be. So Robin Hood was a better man. Thank God he spared us. What a brave young woman. So the merry men thought that woman was very brave. 2 months later, Marian's parents were trying to arrange for her to get married to a rich lord. But she was not willing to marry. That's why she left her home. Marian remembered what Robin had said to her. She decided to run away from home and join merrymen, because she wanted to do something useful with her life. So that's why she decided that she will leave her home and she will join the merrymen. She got as far as the edges of the forest before she was stopped by the very people she was looking for. So someone stopped her. Up, stranger, what are you doing here? I have as much right to be here as you, stranger. The two fought fiercely, means that stranger and Marian fought very fiercely, swinging their swords at each other. Marian held her own for a while, but Robin was the better fighter since he had more practice. Stop fighting. It seems I know you. So that stranger told that stop fighting, and it seemed to him that he knows that very woman. I did not recognize you. Forgive me. You are none other than the brave Marian who stood up for her family against a band of outlaws. So that stranger recognized Marian. Marian had recognized Robin at last, but her momentary pulse allowed Robin to beat her. I have come to join you, Robin Hood. I want to be one of your merrymen. So then Marian told him that he wants to join merrymen and also wants to help the poor. And at last the merrymen accepted Marian as a member because of her bravery. Thank you.